Okay, so joining me up on the stage is going to be Tom Lockyer, who's product manager for SmartHub. So Tom and I have been working together a lot over the last few weeks, so we're going to do a live demo. Tom, say hello to him.
This was unintentional, by the way.
Tom.
The matching circle.
Okay. Right, okay, and if we could see in a second, Tom's just going to log in. Now, it's an interesting thing about the Hellenic Centre, because we're stuck smack in the middle of West 1, which is like right in the middle of London, one of the world's finest capitals, if not the finest capital. But actually, we get 1/4 megabyte internet in this room. So in order to do today and to do all of our all-hands meetings, which we do from here every quarter, we actually have a satellite dish, our own satellite dish, screwed to the chimney, which required some negotiation with the owners of this building about a year ago. So this is actually two things. It's probably the slowest internet you'll ever see and the most expensive, because we pay, I think it's £100 per 15 minutes or something of satellite time. And I'm hoping that our head of finance at the back has paid the money and that we're in. Are we in?
Yep, we're in.
Okay. Yep. All right. So we're going to build a hub. We're going to do it live. Now, we kind of thought, like, shall we fake it? What if the internet doesn't work? So we make a video and like pretend? That's not cool. That's not what we do. That's not honest and transparent. So this is real. So I'm going to actually ask you to help me build it. So what should we call it? What should we build? An HR hub, an engagement hub, a reward hub? Someone shout something out. Come on, Miriam. Shout something out. HR, reward, or engagement. You sat in the front. Come on. What do you want? 3 words, pick one. You can't think of one of 3 words, Miriam. Come on. Really. HR, engagement, reward, or benefits? Benefits. Lovely. Thanks for helping me out there. Welcome to our benefits hub. Okay. And this is the benefits, the home for all of our company benefits. Lovely. So we need to put a benefit on it then. Yeah, what benefits should we put on? Someone shout out a benefit. What's that? Pensions, yep, pensions. We've gone straight for the serious stuff, haven't we? Straight for serious. So what sort of tile should we have? Is it the tiles over here? An image tile, that's nice. So we can just drag, you can see, just drag straight away an image tile onto the canvas. And then in a second, when the internet catches up, see, we knew this would happen. When the internet catches up, we drag that on there, and nothing happens. You see, this happens all the time when you're doing a live demo, but at least you know it was live. So Tom's probably going to refresh that page. Oh, now he's got 3. So the satellite is now connected with, Apollo 13 or whatever it was, and has given us 3 image tiles up there. So let's look and browse an image. So obviously, you can upload an image. That's kind of cool. Have you got some? You've got ready?
I've got a number of pensions tiles. Yeah.
Should we pick one? Yeah. What do you want? What sort of one do we like? Green shoots, pen. Oh, how about that one? That's kind of cool.
I like that one. Yeah, let's go with that one.
Yeah, let's go for that one. I'm glad. We need some audience participation. It's going to be a really long demo. So I'd encourage you to play along. Otherwise, and we got hammered for not finishing our last one on time, and I'm desperate to finish this one on time. Pension, so that's cool. That was really easy. Look, you can resize and you can move it around and stuff because we've built that. We know you want to do that. So that's cool, and then we'll connect that up later to a pensions page. Lovely. Interesting. Okay, what else are we going to do? Another benefit. Private medical. Lovely. Private medical. Now, look, you see, this is the big one. Is this an important benefit for you? Yes. Okay, so we've made it bigger. Yeah?
Cool.
So that's right. You just drag it really easily to make it bigger. So look after yourself with private medical or something. Yeah, need some health. Need some help. Need some help with your health. Lovely. Really, really simple. Tom's just typing in the headline of that tile, typing in a bit of text. Now, do you know what? Because we've tried to think about everything we possibly can to make this easy for you. There's no save button anywhere. You notice that? There's no save button. There's no button to save. That's because everything you do, as soon as you click off the tile, we save it automatically. Because we never want you to be in that place where you've typed it all in, you go to do something because someone's rung up to complain about them not being paid the right number of hours, and then you turn back and it says timed out and you've lost it all. We never want that to happen. So every single thing that you do is saved. And what's great about it, and then Tom's been brave there, he's going to resizing his image. You can make these big images or small images. It's so easy to do, so easy to do. Everything's saved, but it's not live yet. I'm going to talk to you about putting things live a bit later on, because obviously we don't want everything you've typed to go straight live in front of all of your employees, not until you're ready. Okay, let's have another benefit that we'll add. What else can we add? Cashback. Okay, so save money on online shopping or something, or cashback?
Yeah.
Lovely. Oh, is this a retailer tile, Tom?
No, we're looking at...
We'll do that next. Okay, save money online shopping. Oh, it's an icon tile.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to show you how icons work. That's kind of cool. So, a bit of text there, and Tom can even actually edit the, on that learn more there, you can even change the name on the button. So maybe it's, shop online now. So let's just look at an icon. See how icons work. So you see we've got loads of icons there already. Brand colors is really interesting. Often your branding people will have a certain set of colors that you should use, that we're allowed to use. Yeah. So, and it really, really upsets them, doesn't it, when we use the wrong ones or when you use the wrong one. Exactly, lots of nodding heads. We don't like upsetting people, we like delighting them. That's delight our customers, value number 4, very important to us. So, when we set this up for you, we find out what your brand colors are, we lock those into your account, and from then on, whether it's you or us or the HR graduate that you've given this project to, whoever it is, you can only pick from those brand colors, which is perfect, isn't it? So that means that all your brand people are all relaxed, you've made them really happy, we like happy people. So here we've got loads of icons. What's a good icon for what we've got there? Shopping, maybe?
A shopping basket?
Yeah, let's do that one.
Yep.
Let's do that one. We save that, and that's on there straight away. So that's kind of cool. And we can put that tile anywhere on the page that we want. Let's do another one. What else could we have?
It's a video?
Bit of video? Video, because video is kind of interesting, isn't it? Video, picture tells 1,000 words, a video maybe tells 1,000,000, who knows? So we can put video on. Now, some of you might already have videos about your organization or about HR or reward or benefits that you've already got. So if you do, and if they're on YouTube or Vimeo or any one of other 15 other sites we support, you can just put that in really great. Oh, so this is my favorite YouTube video. Does everyone know Sneezing Panda? Everyone knows Sneezing Panda. If you don't, you need to get home tonight and do Sneezing Panda on YouTube. It's very, 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 very cute. We're going to watch it? Okay. So we just paste the link in from YouTube, and Sneezing Panda, now you need to separately work out the link between your reward program and Sneezing Panda, but you're creative. I'm going to let you do that. But look, there's the Sneezing Baby Panda, and you can check it out. Maybe it's just HR's Have Fun on Friday. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Have a fun message from HR on a Friday afternoon. Maybe some of you would like that in your organization. But you see how easy it was to put that in from YouTube. Now, many of you might be thinking, I don't want my benefits instruction video or my culture and values video on YouTube because everyone will look at it then. That's okay too, because if we look back at the video uploader, we can upload a video for you. You can upload a video right into SmartHub, any video that you've got. We'll sort out all the formatting of it automatically behind the scenes, and then that will be hosted by us securely, only for use by your employees, and no one else will be able to see it. That's really, really key.
And we can even overlay your brand colors on top of the video as well.
Absolutely, yeah, Tom was right, yeah. Even your brand colors, the little play button and the play icons, all that appears in your brand colors. The people in corporate branding will be so excited. They'll be so excited. They will love it. They will love it. It will be their favorite people. And IT will love it too, actually, because of course it's all hosted by us. It's all in exactly the same place that your data and everything has always been looked after properly by us. What else should we show, Tom?
So a retailer.
Oh, yeah. This is really cool. So that you might want to pick out on just a particular single retailer. So someone shout out their favorite retailer from Reward Gateway. Nero's? I think Cafe Nero? Yeah. Cafe Nero. See, I would struggle to spell cafe, probably has 2 F's, isn't it? So save on your coffee, a Cafe Nero, coffee at lunch. We do that, and we click off, and what it does is it automatically pulls in the logo, and it automatically pulls in the best current offer. So you never need worry that if, let's imagine next week, Cafe Nero's in one of our special deals and the discount goes up, you're completely relaxed because your tiles will all update automatically. They always pull in the current best offer. So that's good. So again, we've got your back there, making it really easy.
Just proving that wasn't rigged.
Yeah, prove it wasn't fixed. Everybody decides at Sainsbury's. And what's cool with smart tiles, we can make smart tiles appear depending on the location that someone's based in. Yeah. So we've got 6 offices. 6 offices worldwide. We had 7. We've got 6. We used to have 2 in London. Now I've got 1. We squeezed everyone in. 6 offices worldwide, and our London office. Sorry, 7. We've got Birmingham. I can't count. Our London office is above a Sainsbury's. Yeah, right. So they've got the ground floor. We've got floors 2, 3, and 4. So we can have a save 5% on your lunch from downstairs tile that only appears to our employees that are based in the London office, which is kind of cool, isn't it? And then something else that's more relevant to our stuff in Birmingham, can be up there. So that's cool. What else we got, Tom?
Well, we should show them how much they're saving, I guess.
Let's see how much they're saving, across either discount program on this tile or in the future on, of course, all your benefits. Really nice My Account tile. We can just drag that on there. So what we're doing here is we're giving you this power. You can see how easy it is, yeah? And if you're thinking, well, I'm not sure I know exactly where to put what, that's all right, because we've got a whole team in implementation that are fully trained and experienced in how to build this for you. But once it's built, later on, you might want to be able to just make changes or have someone in your team make changes yourself and keep it alive, because that's that thing that you asked us for, the thing that you can keep it alive. And I think when I look at how Flex programs used to be built, 6 months feasibility, 6 months design, you're nearly in tears by the end of that, then there's a 3-month site build process, and then you've got your benefits locked for 12 months. It just feels very 1980s, yeah? It doesn't feel like the world that we're all in now, where actually we want it to be now, yeah? If you've just had a major announcement, if you've just had a major corporate announcement, you want it on here now, don't you? You want to reflect that. Just closed a division, or you're moving a department, or you're doing something, or you've just launched a new product, or whatever you're doing, you want your HR site, your engagement site, to reflect that, yeah? You can even use SmartHub, we'll show you in a minute, to announce news to your employees, which is exciting. Upcoming birthdays, I love this one. If your employees choose to make their birthday public, if they choose to share their date and month of birth, then you can choose to put a tile on there which tells people whose birthday is in the office, that's kind of cool too. So it's put a much more friendly, immersive face on what we present from HR and our organisation to our companies. How are we doing, Tim? What else should we show?
What if they don't have the image that they want?
Yeah. So do you know what? In that thing about like all the icons we had, what if we haven't got the icon that you want? Or something. Let's have a look at that. What happens then? Or the image or something. Oh, yeah, cool. So, right, you want an image for pension. I don't know where I've got images from. I'm an HR manager, for heaven's sake. I don't have like a bank of images in my pocket. So what we do here is we don't want you to have to go and search on Google Images and download and upload. We don't want you to do all that because you're busy. We don't even want your assistant or your junior person doing that. We want to do it for you. So here we've integrated right into Bing. Bing, you know what Bing is? Bing's the search engine from Microsoft. Remember them? So Bing from Microsoft, we've integrated right into Bing, and we're pulling this images straight in so you can do a search, you can save, and it saves it from Bing right into your SmartHub without going through your computer. That's really fantastic. Bing's very slow right now. It's kind of talking to Ariane 3.
It's got to go to space and back.
Kind of all that kind of stuff. But there it came. It did come. I assure you, it works like a rocket when you're on when you're not here. But what if do you know what? If you're thinking, do you know what? This is all kind of nice, but you know what? I don't even want my assistant spending time thinking about this stuff because can't you just do it? Yeah, you can just do it. Yeah, should we do that? What happens if you request an image? What's this about? Cool. So here you can just say, this is the image that I want. Find me one, and we'll go and find it for you. Yeah, we'll do it. So look at that. Submit your request. I want an image of a sneezing panda. You can see it's live. Sneezing panda. And submit your request. Wait up to 48 hours. 48 hours? So you think that's good enough? I need to have a word here. 40 hours? Seriously?
We've been working on it.
40 hours?
We've been working on it.
It's not good enough. They want more than 40 hours.
So we did try something else. How about that?
Oh, that's better. Okay, 1 hour. That's better. No, anything you want, it's there in an hour. Yeah, we've got a whole design team behind SmartHub, Smart Tiles, and Smart Pages working for you. They're covering the UK hours of 9 till 6, and they'll design any icon that you need. They'll find you any image that you need. They'll make you any graphics and tiles and things that you need. Just tell us what you want, and in an hour, we're there. Yeah, because you're busy and you haven't got long lead times. And we don't want you to have to think about planning ahead. I want you to get a call from the CEO or from somebody, an opportunity to say, God, it'd be amazing if we could get this message out to all of our employees. And I want you to say, yeah, got it covered. Hour later, done. Everyone thinks you're a hero.
How much does it cost?
That's what we want.
To request an image?
How much does it cost per image? Nothing. Of course it costs nothing. Why would we charge you for that? Of course it costs nothing. So that's fantastic.
Videos?
Sorry?
Videos? Request a video?
Videos, yeah. Oh, videos, yeah. We talked a lot about videos. Good point, Tom. We've talked a lot about videos. We use a lot of videos. You can see that. And you might be thinking, oh, they're kind of nice, but we just haven't got those resources. We just don't do videos and things. So right from the heart of here, you can say, do you know what? I'd like a video to explain my reward program, or I'd like a video to explain one of my values or all my values. I'd like some of that stuff. Give us a bit vague idea as to what you're thinking about. We'll come back, we'll talk to you, and we're going to provide that entire service. We'll come back to you with a really, really great quote, and we're starting from £299 to make any video that you want. Anything we can film and edit in a day in London. It's slightly more if you're outside London, so you've got some travel time and some travel costs from £299. We do the whole thing. We are really, really good at doing videos around benefits, reward, and HR. We've got our in-house team, and we're supported by our external team too. So that's all there as well. oh, we've done all this stuff. Every single thing we've done has saved, so we cannot have lost anything. It cannot go wrong. You're covered. It's beautiful. Do you know what? There isn't a preview button either, because you don't need a preview button, because actually you can see it. Yeah, we can see exactly what it's going to look like already. You can move it around if you want. You can see it exactly as it is. But at some point, we've got to push that live, haven't we? We've got to say, right, okay, I'm ready. I've checked it. I'm happy. Yeah? I want it to go live. So how does that work?
Slowly.
How does that work? So we talked to Ariane 3. They talked to us back. I think that crashed on takeoff. Is that one of my examples from training about crashing on takeoff? I think it is. That's why it's on my mind. Ariane 3. So we're just looking back in. So this really key thing that you said about your business changes all the time. And we thought about something. We thought, but you're not always there the moment it changes or happens. And sometimes you do know about it changing in advance. So how can we support you on that? So let's look at this. Look at that. This thing at the bottom is called the Smart Scheduler. Everything you've just done, that whole page of your new benefits site or rewards site or engagement site, you can make that live this minute, or you can make it live at any point in the future, any date or time in the future, just by dragging it to the Smart Scheduler and moving it up and down that slider. That's how easy it is. So if you've got a major HR announcement about anything at all, and it's happening next Friday at 9 o'clock, you can do your page, do your hub, build your pages, drag it in for 9 o'clock on Friday, go to the Bahamas, have a lovely day, and you know it will just go live like magic. And like again, everyone will see you as a hero that you are. You've got it all done. You can put multiple things in your schedule way ahead. We'll do all that for you, so we can program all your seasonal changes well ahead, so we can keep your program alive. So we'll do all that. We'll put all the back stuff in, so we'll be promoting Halloween automatically. We can move things around. Sometimes of the year, some things will be more important than others. You've got seasonal stuff. We can just move it around just to create a change, so that when your employees are coming in, they're seeing that personalized hub just for themselves, and they're seeing something which is completely relevant to time. Isn't that cool?
Very good.
So that's Smart Scheduler. So cool. So listen, thank you very much to Tom for being up here with us. Round of applause. Okay, so getting back to my screen here. We have a whole team in product and engineering working on smart tiles and smart pages permanently. So we've got a little foundry going on, building more and more tiles and features into this product. This is some of the stuff that we're just looking at right now, being able to pull in your company's share price and financial news if you have one, an HR blog, so you can write your HR blog stuff, tiles that reflect further work on tiles that reflect events like birthdays, company calendar, so you could put in company events that are happening in the future, whole set of tiles and stuff about health and well-being and page modules around health and well-being, deep integration with our other benefits products, full survey and more polling options, full online form functionality so you can build forms in there and collect the data with whatever you want, and engagement pulse polls. And we're really excited that we hope, what I know will happen is now that we've shown you this, you'll start saying, does it do, can it do this, can it do that? And we're going to try and say yes to as much of that as possible and build it into this fantastic modular framework and build this out into the most amazing thing we can for you. The great thing about SmartHub is it's not vaporware, it's not coming next month, it's not coming next year. SmartHub, featuring smart spending, is available and installing from today. It's ready today. Everything you've seen there, today. So you can be talking to your engagement specialist, your manager on the way out. We can be working with you from Monday. So that's the first part of our product launch done, SmartHub. And I hope it's been a helpful introduction to that part of the product. It'd be really nice to see you here. We're going to have about a 20-25 minute break right now, and we'll see you back in here for the second half. Thanks very much.